Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to blur the border of an image in Photoshop. Example, I select I already insert two images. Apply step 1. Select the image, click Apex, stroke and stroke color. Example white. Then increase the size. Okay, right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, rasterize layer. Then select magic wand tool and okay. Then click on color. Press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Duplicate. Go to filter, blur. Click OK. Double blur. Press Ctrl J. Then double. And step 2. Select another image. Click rectangle tool. Click and drag on inside. Refine its feather, smoothness, contrast 0, layer mask. Now we can see this blur the border of an image. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.